everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Anand, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Amazfit GTR. Never heard of the company? Well, I don't blame you. But first, let me put some things into context. This 11,000 rupee watch outperforms the highest end Fitbit that you can buy. Seem interesting now? Well, with that being said, let's begin with the video. So, unboxing first. It comes in a black box, as you can see, with Amazfit written right on the left corner. Now we're moving on to the cutting part. It's cut. Did you see that? It was a sealed one, okay? Believe me. And then comes a really nice, subtle and minimal white box with silver branding on it. Now let's use gravity. Yeah, and it's out. Yes. And then we have the watch itself. No, that's not the screen. That's the sticker. Okay. Now I'm gonna peel it off in 3. Oh wait, let me show you what's inside. That's the charging cable, and that is the manual that no one reads. Sticker is going that was satisfying. Moving on, let me show you how the charger connects with this watch. It's magnetic, so no problems with that. It was really easy to do it. So moving on, here are the specs of this watch. They're good for the price. It's got a nice AMOLED display, it's bright, it's vibrant. And the software and the overall UI is pretty smooth. You've got a ton of watch faces, like a lot of them, over 50 for every age. And that's the thing that I really like in this watch. You also have 12 workout modes that you can choose from. And the experience so far has been pretty smooth. Moving on, we have the build quality. When I first had a look on this watch, it was solidly built. It's got an aluminum bezel and a stainless steel body with stainless steel buttons. With a leather strap, it's not leather. It's got silicone in the bottom, but that's for the sweat resistant part. So it looks official, and that's one of the unique selling points of this watch. It looks like a normal everyday good looking watch, but it's a smartwatch, and that's pretty awesome. Moving on, speaking of awesome, when it comes to the functionality and the features of the watch, it's got a lot of watch faces, as I've told earlier. There's 3 of them which you can store on the watch at a time. Others are on the app, which I will talk about later. Speaking of features, there's 12 workout modes that you can choose from: running, everything. There's also swimming, which is a proof that this is actually waterproof. And there are a lot of other features in this watch, like you can set alarms, you can have a compass, there's an altimeter, barometer, countdown settings, and basically it has everything that a high-end smartwatch has, except for one thing, that is calling. And I don't think calling or talking to your wrist is practical. And no smartwatch out there can run without its compatible companion app. In this case, it's the Amazfit app. And since this is a first impressions video, all I want to say is that the app is good enough. It'll get the job done. And I like it. It's not the best ones out there, but it's definitely not the worst. And that's pretty much it when it comes to my first impressions on this watch. It's a good built watch for the cost. It's a bang for the buck. And if you're looking for a good smartwatch out there that you can wear every day, I think this is a good option. But if you want a full in-depth review, it's coming out in the future. So make sure you subscribe and follow us on @TechTalks. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.
My room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.